Are you tired of feeling scattered and disconnected from the present moment? Mindfulness and meditation can be powerful tools for improving focus, reducing stress, and enhancing overall well-being. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to be more mindful and present through meditation. Set a specific time. Choose a specific time each day to meditate. Whether it's first thing in the morning or during your lunch break, setting a consistent time will help you establish a regular practice. Find a quiet space. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit undisturbed. Get into a comfortable position. Sit cross-legged on the floor or in a chair with a straight back. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your hands resting on your lap or knees. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Take a few deep breaths, and then focus your attention on the sensation of your breath as it enters and exits your body. Notice and acknowledge any thoughts or distractions. Notice when your mind starts to wander and acknowledge the thoughts without getting caught up in them. Gently guide your attention back to your breath. Start small. Begin with short meditation sessions of 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable with the practice. Be consistent. Make mindfulness and meditation a regular part of your daily routine, even if it's just a few minutes a day. Experiment with different techniques. Experiment with different mindfulness and meditation techniques such as guided meditations, body scans, and loving-kindness meditation. Mindfulness and meditation can be powerful tools for improving focus, reducing stress, and enhancing overall well-being. Set a specific time each day to meditate. Find a quiet space. Get into a comfortable position. Focus on your breath. Notice and acknowledge any thoughts or distractions. Start small, be consistent, and experiment with different techniques. With consistent practice, mindfulness and meditation can help you cultivate a deeper sense of presence and awareness in your daily life. A powerful tool to connect with yourself, the present moment, and improve your overall well-being.